Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear aspirants, teachers, students, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Dear aspirants, keep in mind that there are two types of vocabularies. The one is passive vocabulary and the other is active vocabulary. What is passive vocabulary? You know the meaning of words. When they come in front of your eyes, you think that I know the meaning of this word or these words. But you cannot recall them and they can't come in your mind in the actual situation. And the active vocabulary is the words which come in your mind in the actual situation. जब एक्चुअल सिचुएशन होती है, आपने जो लर्न वर्ड्स किए होते हैं, जब आप सिचुएशन में होते हैं तो वो वर्ड्स आपके जहन में आते हैं, आप उस सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी कन्वर्सेशन में, अपनी राइटिंग में उन वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्टिव वोकैबुलरी. So, to make your active vocabulary, practice the learned words in your actual conversation, daily life, day to day communication, and writing. And also use those words which you have learned today in your thinking and other communication process. Then those words will become the part of your behavior. वो वर्ड्स आपके बिहेवियर का पार्ट बन जाएंगे और जब कभी एक्चुअल सिचुएशन में उन वर्ड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी, दे विल कम इन योर माइंड एंड यू कैन यूटिलाइज दोज वर्ड्स इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. So try to practice these words which you learned today in your actual conversation, writing, and other communication process. So let's start today's 10 words practice. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Abolish, खत्म करना, मनसूख करना. Meaning, dispense with, end, cancel, eliminate, put an end to. Antonym, establish, continue, preserve. Sentence, the government abolished the old law. Abolition, khatma, mansukhi. Meaning, complete destruction. Ending, elimination, cancellation. Antonym, establishment, creation, continuation. Sentence, the abolition of slavery changed history. Abominable, काबिल नफरत, बहुत बुरा. Hateful, terrible, awful, disgusting, horrible. Antonym, pleasant, admirable, delightful. Sentence, his rude behavior was abominable. Abortive, नाकाम, बेनतीजा, जो किसी हतमी फैसले के बगैर खत्म हो जाए. मीनिंग, अनसक्सेसफुल, फेल्ड, फ्रूटलेस, इनइफेक्टिव. एंटोनिम, सक्सेसफुल, इफेक्टिव, फ्रूटफुल. सेंटेंस, देयर abortive attempt ended quickly. Amount, बहुत ज्यादा होना. Meaning, stand firm, be plentiful, exist in large numbers, overflow with. Antonym, lack, be scarce, diminish. Sentence, fish abound in this river. Abrogate, मनसूख करना, खत्म कर देना. Cancel, repeal, abolish, revoke, annul. Antonym, approve, enforce, confirm. Sentence, the court abrogated the rule. Abscond, फरार हो जाना. Meaning in English, fabricate, run away, escape, secretly flee. Antonym, remain, stay, appear. Sentence, the thief absconded with the money. Absolve, बरी करना, मुआफ करना. Meaning in English: concentrate, forgive, free from blame, acquit, pardon. Antonym: blame, accuse, condemn. Sentence: the judge absolved him of guilt. Abstemious: कम खाने वाला, परहेजगार. Meaning in English: diligent, moderate, self-controlled, temperate. Antonym: excessive, greedy, indulgent, glutton. Sentence: she is abstemious in her eating habits. Abstinence, parhez. Meaning: restrained, eating or drinking. Self denial, self restraint, fasting. Antonym: indulgence, excess. Sentence: abstinence is good for health. I hope that you will practice these words in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching and connecting with me.